got it. Woo! Alright, set. Arch your back.
Alright, we're...
Yeah.
Alright, that can go in the hootie box.
What's up everyone, welcome back to Stroh Life. In this week's video we went fishing for my 18th birthday on a guided salmon trip. And we started off the day with almost immediate action.
You got it. Alright, got it.
And we're gonna put them in the box and get back to work here.
Yeah. Is that another fish?
Should I grab that other one?
Put the pole out that way. Somebody want to grab the net?
Needs to be in bad lures.
Okay,
boys.
Back there.
Pull up, pull up. Arch your back.
Alright, where's the net? Okay.
Arch your back.
Let me know.
I know that. Oh, I get it. Pull, pull, pull.
I know.
Come on, there we go. Keep going.
I know. I'm going. It's not on my chest. You're holding it away from my chest, so I can't read it. This is awesome. You guys are pulling it away from my chest, so it's really hard to... Yeah, he's fat. Oh, that was pregnant.
The bottom leg is done anyway.
Yeah.
Alright, that can go in the hootie box.
I don't really pay attention to purses.
Get her a knockoff.
What's that?
Get her a knockoff.
That's what I said. I said, look. You're not...
Seals all over in the marina.
Oh, they all.
And they come in, so that's a good thing. You guys want the eggs?
Is that caviar?
Yep.
Sure.
Well, I mean, you need to go in line for the recipe.